Hello everyone, my name is Naina and in this session we will talk about weather in English. Yes. So let's start. Do you know what it means if someone says it's chucking it down today? Or if someone say it's baking today? Do you know what they are talking about? Like every time we met someone and someone is like it's baking today. Do you know what they mean about? So in this session you will learn words, phrases, idioms that you can use to describe different kinds of weather in your day-to-day life. Okay, so just imagine that you first wake up in the morning and it's a bit cold today. So how will you talk about it's cold today? So we'll talk about it's bit chilly, means it's little cold, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं but थोड़ी सी ठंड है. Next, it's freezing outside. It's freezing outside. बहुत ठंड है, बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड है. It's very cold outside. The third we have, you will need to bundle up. You will need to bundle up. Bundle up means wear a layer of clothes to keep yourself warm. Means हमने बहुत सारे clothes पहन रखे हैं कि हमें उससे गर्माहट मिले, हमें उससे गर्मी आए. For example, when the weather is freezing, you need to bundle up. When the weather is freezing, you need to bundle up. Next we have, you can see your breath. You can see your breath means literally see the air when you breathe on it. जैसे कि हम जब सांस लेते हैं we have that fog okay in our outside our mouth, so it is like you can see your breath. You can see your breath. Next we have talk about hot weather. As in today we can say like that. So it's baking hot. It's baking hot. So it's baking hot today means very hot. It's baking hot today. So it means like very hot. For example, it's baking hot in Sahara Desert. It's baking hot in Sahara Desert. Next we have, it's a scorcher day. It's a scorcher day means extremely hot. बहुत गर्मी है, बहुत ज़्यादा. For example, in Australia, most days in summer could be described as a scorcher. Next we have, it's boiling. It's boiling. Next, it's hot as hell. It's hot as hell. मतलब बहुत गर्मी है, like a hell. It's hot as hell. Next, it's so hot you can fry an egg on a sidewalk. Oh, it's so hot you can fry an egg on the sidewalk. बहुत गर्मी है, you just fry your egg on a sidewalk. It's an American phrase. It's so hot you can fry an egg on a sidewalk. Next we have, talk about rainy weather. Rainy weather. So it's dazzling at the moment. It's dazzling at the moment. Next, it's only spitting. It's only spitting means बहुत छोटी छोटी rain की drop आ रहा है. It's only spitting. Next, suddenly the heavens open. Suddenly the heavens open means it start heavily. बहुत पहले तो बहुत छोटी छोटी बारिश का बूंदा आ रहा था. Then we have a heavens open. Okay, suddenly the heavens open. It's chucking it down. It's chucking it down means raining a lot, really heavy. Means raining a lot, really heavy. Okay, it's chucking it down. It's chucking it down. Next, my clothes are soft. My clothes are soft means my clothes are wet because of rain. मेरे कपड़े गीले हो गए हैं because of rain. So my clothes are soft. Next we have thunder weather. As you can see from the picture itself, it's very overcast and dark overhead. Means a cloud are covering from the sky, so you cannot see. Okay. The next is there is a storm brewing. Means a storm start very soon. There is a storm brewing. I can see lightning. It means the large electric flash of light. As you can see from the picture itself. जब लाइट चमकती है बादलों में, it's like that. We have I can hear thunder. I can hear thunder means the noise you hear after lightning. The noise you hear after lightning. So you can say, I can hear thunder. So that's the end of the lesson right now. I hope you can use those phrases, idioms, and sentences in your day-to-day life while you are talking about cold weather, hot weather, rainy weather, and whatever it is. So you have to start talking like this to make your English effective. Keep learning, guys. Thank you so much for this lesson. Thank you, everyone.